Today we're gonna talk about Project Catalyst Fund 12. We're currently in the midst of Fund 12 with an impressive influx of proposals pouring in, over hundreds of submissions from diverse backgrounds and regions worldwide. Let's delve into the categories available for submission. Firstly, we have Cardano Open Developers. If you're passionate about open source, this category is tailored for you. All projects submitted here are open source, fostering collaboration and benefiting the wider developer community. Whether it's new tooling, libraries, or enhancing the developer experience, this category is brimming with exciting possibilities. Then we have Cardano Open Ecosystem. This encompasses both technical and non-technical initiatives within the Cardano ecosystem. From community building to hackathons, events, marketing proposals, and more, this category welcomes diverse proposals aimed at fostering growth and engagement within the ecosystem. Thirdly, we have Cardano Partners and real-world integration, an exciting addition to Project Catalyst. This category aims to attract industry leaders and partnerships to the Cardano ecosystem. This has a different deadline. And the fourth category is Cardano use cases. This category is divided into three segments: concepts, MVPs, and products. Concepts are in the early stages, pre-prototype, aiming to validate hypotheses. MVPs bridge the gap between prototype and market readiness, while the product category caters to mature products seeking expansion and enhancement. The submission deadline for different categories are highlighted along with timelines for community reviews and voting. Those interested in contributing as community reviewers are encouraged to register by May 19th. Voter registration is ongoing, with a snapshot of voting power scheduled for June 18th. Results of Fund 12 are expected around July 15th. As usual, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.